Hello? Is this Mr. Pandey?
Yes, Kapoor Saab.
Hello, Funky ji. How are you, buddy?
I am fine, Kapoor Saab.
Actually, I want to cast you in my upcoming movie, Ek Fool Do Kaate. It's an original story that struck me when I was watching another movie this morning.
An original idea? With you? Sorry, Kapoor Saab. I cannot take the risk of acting in any of your originally conceived movies.
Oh, come on, Funky ji. I have a big producer backing me and I can pay you double the amount. और क्या है ना, ये फिल्म दूसरे फिल्मों से हटके है.
Double? That sounds tempting. But Kapoor Saab, my dates and my schedule.
And you see, I talked to Aishwarya Rai and she is ready to act as heroine in my movie.
Oh, Aishwarya. She is so hot.
And listen, the character demands a couple of steamy scenes with her. But if you don't have
Kapoor Saab, dates are my problem. You don't bother about them. When do we start shooting?
Starting next month. But the script is loaded.
Did I ask you about the script, Kapoor Saab? You keep the money and the steamy scenes ready. I'll see you at the shooting next month, okay?
Okay, Funky ji. Thank you. See you at the set.
See you, Kapoor Saab.
Bye bye. Let me call up the Hollywood actor Danny Depp and take his dates.
Hello?
Hello? I'm calling from Mumbai.
Mumbai? What? Who is this?
Hello? Hello? I am Mr. Steven Kapoor, famous Bollywood director. You see, recently I won the Oscar Award for my super hit movie. हम आपके दिल में रह के आपके भाई से प्यार करने लगे.
Oh, Mr. Kapoor, what's going on?
Yes, fine. Sir, I want to cast you in my upcoming movie, Ek Fool Do Kaate.
Oh, I know that. I got your email. But do you have the script ready?
Script? You see, it's a big budget movie. And we are planning to shoot couple of songs in the foreign locations too.
But what is my character? And how does it influence the overall story?
Sir,
moreover, I would like to know that how does it influence the overall story?
Sir, if I knew so much, I would have made the movie by now.
What?
I mean, the plot is complex. And I am confused too. But I ensure you a good role and a nice day in India. Remember, big budget. Also, you have a huge fan following in India. We are the second largest population, and by the time the movie releases, we may be the largest.
Okay, I guess for my fans, I'll try to do it. But I'll appreciate if you can send me the script in a week's time.
Sure, Daddy sir. I'll do it. Thanks for accepting the offer.
Alright, thank you.
See you in India.
See ya.
Bye bye.
Is this the set for the movie?
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Where is the director?
Good, thank you.
Mr. Kapoor, where is he?
Kapoor Saab? अरे गोटिया के कपूर ना बोल रहे. बसा.
2 hours later.
Hello, Mr. Denny. Hey, I think you are not waiting for much time.
I came here I came here at 9. It's 11 now.
Oh, you see, I left on time, but the Mumbai traffic. And also, half the way, I realized that I have forgot my lucky hat. My mother gave it to me when I was shooting the first movie. How can I come for the shooting without this lucky hat?
And where are the others?
I called up the heroine. She was in the beauty salon. And the hero, he was in the gym doing his workout. They will be here soon. Don't worry.
Alright.
Half an hour later.
Madam, what do you have to say about Women's Association boycotting you for wearing skimpy clothes in all your movies?
Actually, I like to get into the character I play, and all my directors shoot me aesthetically. Plus, I feel comfortable, and I don't mind wearing such outfits if the character demands it.
But madam, you played a typical Indian village girl in the movie Ramgarh Ki Basanti. What do you have to say about that?
Come on, it was a role of a bold village girl. I no more questions.
But madam,
Director sir.
next question. Madam, how about this next movie? Madam, hey.
Okay, let me introduce you to the hero. He is Mr. Danny Depp. He has come down from LA. And she is Aishwarya Rai. She is Aishwarya's mummy. And he is my lucky hero, Funky Pandey. Okay?
Sounds hip.
Mummy ji, wait.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let me tell you the first scene we are going to shoot. So, it's going to be a typical love scene, okay? Where these two heroes are trying to impress you. And I know you can handle the situation very well.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, and oh, that's fine. Let's shoot, okay? Lights on, camera, rolling, action.
तेरी देख देख लड़कैया तेरी सुन के बोलियां दिल पे सोनियां जल्दी है गोलियां प्रेम भक्तों की गोलियां कब तक जवानी छुपा
What happened? What happened?
He's so close to my daughter. He's holding her hand. He's touching her. What is this?
Isn't this supposed to be a love song? How can you show love without touching?
My husband did not touch me till she was born.
Mummy ji, शांत हो जाइए. Don't worry. We are not going to show them so close on the screen. We are going to show two flowers touching each other when they come close, okay? शांत हो जाइए, मम्मी जी, माँ जी.
अरे माँ किसको बोलता है बे?
अरे गोटिया, मम्मी जी के लिए गर्मा गर्म ठंडा लाना भाई. So, what are you doing? This is Bollywood, not Hollywood. You can't touch the heroine when and where you want. Don't get so close. Love her, but stay far, far. I mean, far, far, okay? So, let's redo the scene. So, just after the song, the villain will enter and kidnap you both. And I don't want any more retreat. Okay? Fine. Lights on. Camera. Rolling. Action.
अरे कब तक जवानी छुपाओगी रानी, कमारों को कितना सताओगी रानी, मुझसे शादी करोगी, मुझसे शादी करोगी।
Isn't this the guy we are supposed to kidnap? Yes, boss. Hey, Tikne, enough of your dance and rants, okay?
Let's take the girl also. Some entertainment for us.
Take her along.
The hero and
Action.
Let's have a dance with the girl. Light up
Hey, baby, dance for me.
No, I will not dance. I will die, but I will not dance.
Your boyfriend is one. Kanya, what the?
Hey, shall I shoot him? Come on, do it.
Okay, okay, okay. Don't kill, don't kill. I will dance till I die.
Baby, don't dance in front of these dogs.
अरे काट 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 मैडम what are you doing? Everything fake. People want to see some shake.
Mummy, director wants me to shake.
You don't have mother or sisters at home? What is this?
But mummy ji, the audience want to see some shake and the situation demands that.
Pack up, baby. There's no more shooting for this movie. Let's go home.
Wait mummy ji, let her not shake. But you shake. I mean you have your shake. अरे गोटिया मम्मी जी के लिए मैंगो शेक लेके आओ भाई. So let's redo the scene, okay? And just after the song, another hero will come and save you, okay? That's fine. Lights on, camera, rolling, action.
Thank you.
Arey brother, why did you die so soon?
I was shot by 3 bullets. How can I stay alive for more than a minute?
Arey brother, this is Bollywood, not Hollywood. If you die in 1 minute, how am I going to make a 3-hour movie? Okay, that's one. Let's redo the scene, okay? Lights. Camera. Lights. Camera. Action.
No, you can't die so soon. I'll take you to the hospital.
Wait. Listen to me. Take care of her. He will keep you happy. I am going. God bless you.
No.
किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार में होना देख लो इधर तो एक बार मैं होना
Finally, the shooting did end, and they now move on to the post-production phase. So this is what a typical Bollywood movie is like. If there are 2 heroes, one has to die, so that the other can take the heroine without any competition. I hope you all enjoyed this attempt at making something different. We would like to introduce all the people who made this skit possible. First of all, the cast. The director, Nilesh. Funky Pandey, the Bollywood hero. Sushil. Danny Depp, the Hollywood hero, was played by Prashant Wadhwa. The heroine, Diksha Grover. Mummy G, Geeta Bangalore.